Good morning. I'm back once again. How's everybody? I am going to crochet a beanie today, and this is for a doll, size 24 inches tall BJD. It's a ball jointed doll. I am going to use a baby sports weight yarn and a size G 4.0 millimeter crochet hook, and also a scissor to cut the yarn. And okay, we are going to start it with magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, and remove the ring. Into the ring, we are going to make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This is counted as first double. Make 9 more. Okay, I have 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we are going to close the ring. To close the ring, we have two strands here. One is in the outside and one is in the inside. The one from the inside, we are going to pull that halfway from left to right. Now we are going to pull the tail. Pull it tight. And we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Okay, for this tail, if you want, you can crochet this along as you go, or you can just leave it there and then hide it later, wave it later. Okay, for the second round, make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch as chain 3. Make 2 double crochet into each stitches around. When you finish the round, you should have 20 double crochet. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the third round, make a chain 3 and make 2 double crochet and on top of the next double. Make 1 double crochet on top of the next double and 2 double crochet into the next. 1 double crochet into the next. 2 double crochet into the next. 1 double crochet into the next. Repeat this around. 2 double, 1 double, alternately. Okay, you should have 30 double crochet around. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. And join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Now make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet on top of the next double, and now on top of the next double, make 2 double crochet. We're still doing the increasing, okay? 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet into the next. Go ahead and repeat this around. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2, and then 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2, 2 double crochet into the next. Repeat this pattern around and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round and I have 40 double crochet around. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the next round, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 5th round, make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet on top of the next double. And go ahead and continue working 1 double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 40. Okay, I finished my round. And now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Now for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For round 6 and 7, go ahead and repeat this last round that we just finished, making 1 double crochet in each stitches around, and I will meet you for the brim. Alright guys, I finished my 7th round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for the beginning of the brim, make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch as joining. And we are going to work 1 single crochet into each stitches around. Okay, you should have 40 single crochet around. Now join it with slip stitch into the beginning single. And for the next round, make a chain 2 and make half double crochet in each stitches around. Go ahead and continue working half double crochet in each stitches around. Okay, you should have 40 in total. And now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 2. And make a chain 2. And into the next half double crochet, make one front post half double crochet. And make one back post half double crochet around the next half. Front post half double crochet around the next. Back post half double crochet around the next. Front post half around the next. Go ahead and repeat this around. Continue this pattern around. Front post half double crochet, back post half double crochet, front post half double crochet, back post half double crochet. Continue and finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright, I finished my last round. I joined it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3, and then I lock my work here. I cut my yarn, and don't forget to wave the tail of your yarn later on. I have 2 here, one from the beginning and this one. Okay. This size is for 24 inches tall BJD. It's a ball jointed doll. If your doll is wearing a wig, this fits perfectly. And if your doll is not wearing a wig, it is a little bit slouchy. Okay. This hat measures for 8 inches in circumference unstitched. And if it is stretched, it reaches until 9 inches long for the circumference. And it is also 4 inches from top to the brim. Okay, now we finish another project, guys. If you have questions, just leave a comments on the comment section below, and then I will try my best to respond as soon as I can. I hope you like it. And if you want to make it for the 18 inches tall BJD, you can lower your hook into size E. Okay, this is size G, and you can lower it into size E. If you hold on, yeah, size E 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, this is for 24 inches, but if you want the 18 inches, you can use this size of hook. Okay. All right, thank you for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoy crocheting with me, and I hope you like the pattern. And I wish you all a very good morning, and see you for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.